Hi, welcome to Geometric Seamless Pattern tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use this action. Okay, let's start. First, you need to unzip the package. In this package, you will have three files. First, color palette, shape, and the last template and action. First, you need to open the shape and then open geometric shapes like this. You will have 1300 shapes, okay, like this. And then go to template and action, click the template, open it, okay, like this. And then we go to action tab. If you don't find it, go to window and click actions, click this sign and then load actions, and go to template and action files and click the action Geometric Seamless Pattern Creator, open. Okay, like this, and click this send again and go to button mode. Okay, like this. And the last, we open the color palette, go to swatches. If you don't find it, go to window and click swatches and click this symbol and other library. Now we open the color palette. Okay, this one. And now we have a color palette. Okay, before we start to make pattern, we have to do some setting. First, you need to go to transform and make sure that you activate this symbol, okay, like this. And then go to line and go to line 2, click the symbol and make sure that you check line to artboard like this. And last, go to fill and stroke, make sure that the fill in front of the stroke like this. If you find the position like this, change it to this one. Now we already make pattern. Okay, I will explain the action first. In this action, you will have three parts. First, position, to make pattern and additional. In position, we have size, and then copy each corner, copy each center side, and I'll explain this action later. And then copy paste center. In make pattern, there are two actions, MP manual and MP fast. MP, that's mean make pattern, and additional, there are size 2500 pixel. This is if you want to upload to Shutterstock and other microstock website. And then there are background, select some color, rotate and scale. Okay, let's start to make pattern. In the below, at the below of the artboard, there are the clue for make pattern. There are three steps. First, make design. You can skip this action because you have 1300 shapes. So I will choose this one, copy and paste, and then go to second step, arrange position. In this action position, there are size, so I will size 300. If you go to 400, this will fulfill of the artboard because the size of artboard is 400 and 400 pixel. So for this part, I will choose 300, and then I will fill with this color, I think pink. Okay, I think this one, and I will non the stroke, so like this. And then go to make pattern. In make pattern part, there are manual and fast. If you choose the fast like this, my fuzz. Okay, and now you have the pattern like this, and I will cut this and make new document. I think 2000. Okay, and then paste. Okay, I will make pattern again. Now I will choose, I think this one, copy and paste. And if you choose copy each corner like this, I will size it 300. If you choose each corner like this, the shape will copy each corner of the center. And if you choose copy each center side, first click and click copy each center side. Now the shape will copy each center of the edge of the artboard like this. And for this part I will choose this position. If you click copy each corner or copy each center side, you have to choose MP manual, make pattern manual. Manual is for this part corner if you choose each corner or center side. Okay, now I'll choose this one. Okay, now we have other pattern. I'll cut and paste to this one. Okay, let's make again. The advantages of MP fast that you will make pattern fastly, and if you use manually, you will make pattern flexible. Okay, I'll choose again. I think this one. I will choose to shape, and this one, copy, paste, and I will large this to 300 and this one 300. And this one I'll choose copy each corner, and this one I'll choose center. Okay, like this. So we have two shape, and we can place other shape in the center. Okay, I'll choose other shape. Okay, I think this one, copy and paste. Okay, I will small this and rotate 45. Okay, like this. And this shape I will copy each center side. Okay, like this. And I will fill it with color, I think this one, and I will non-destruct. Okay, like this. And because we choose copy each corner or copy each center side, so you have to click MP manual, don't fast. Okay, click manual. Okay, like this. And I want to make a background. First I need to choose color, I think this color, and then click the background, this one. And now we have background, and you can change the color. Okay, like this. I think this okay, and I want to cut it and paste. Okay, now we have 3 pattern. Okay, I will make again, but now I want to make my own shape. I will choose ellipse tool and click this one and go to size 40 and click center, and I will paste, copy paste like this, and size 300, and then I will copy paste this one, I think 200. Okay, I will paste this again, and now 100 because they are not the action. So go to transform and click 1100. Okay, now I want to coloring this shape. For this one, I think this and this. Okay, and I will select all and click center. Okay, like this, and I want to change the color, I think. Okay, this one, and I will use stroke white, and the large is 10. Okay, like this. Now I want to expand it and group and size for 100. Okay, like this. Okay, now we have this shape. I will copy this first for master. Okay, and if you choose MP fast like this, we have pattern now like this. Okay, I'll cut, paste, and now I will choose this manually, so I'll copy this and paste, and I will choose copy each corner and copy paste, and then click center, and I will choose this part and this part and go to front, and let's see, we will use MP manual. Okay, now we have other pattern like this. And if you want to change the color, it is very easy. First you need to ungroup the pattern, and then you can see there are part of the pattern, and choose again. I will choose this part and then ungroup. And now first you need the color you want to change. For example, I will choose this color, and then click the select same color, this one, and you see all the color has selected, and click the color you want. For example, I'll choose this one. Okay, and then I will change again the yellow and select same color and click the color you want. Okay, for like this, and I'll choose again, select some color, and then okay, this one, and I click this and select some color too. Okay, like this, and now we have other color. Okay, it is very easy to use this action. I think enough for this tutorial. See you in the next video.